Welcome back to the Trader Vision 2020 free trial video series. My name's Ed Carter. I'm the designer of Trader Vision, and today we'll talk about using the dashboard, and specifically we'll do an overview of the dashboard sections, including the account summary, the recent performance snapshot, and the open trades list, as well as the charts window. In addition, we'll talk about working with your open trades, sorting them within the list, and then also opening trades from the dashboard. Finally, we'll do a quick summary and then talk about the next video in the series. With that said, let's get started. The first thing we'll do is open Trader Vision, and you'll notice that, as always, we open directly to the dashboard. The first option we have is selecting the account that we want to view, and you'll note that the dashboard is broken into several sections. In this section here, we have a summary of the account that's selected. In this box, we have a summary of the recent performance, and you can change the days over which you want to look at that most recent performance, and that's performance for this specific account, by the way. Below, we have a pie chart related to the account summary, and then we have the open trades list. This section lists all the open trades in this account. This graph corresponds to that list of trades, and as you can see, the zero line here, we've got a few that have been entered that are below water and several that are above water. At the bottom, we have a couple buttons that are visible. One creates a pop-up window for charts, which we'll cover in a little while, and the second one is used to control the selected trade and the action we take on it. Looking at the account summary, it gives you the balance on the account at the current time, the number of open trades within that account, and the total cost basis that's open. It then breaks those things down statistically and provides you both the statistics as well as a pie chart view for those who are more visual in nature. In this case, we've got a little under 30% of the account in open trades and the remaining 70% sitting in cash. For this account, the most recent 30 days performance included only 3 closed trades. All of them were wins. The average trade cost has been a little under $4,400. That includes commissions. And the average dollar gain has been $503. That compares to our trade goal of $269, so we're doing quite favorably against our goal over the last 30 days. We're averaging a little over 12% win, and again, just for reference, we are comparing ourselves for this account to the IWM, the Russell 2000 or Small Cap Index ETF. Over the same period of time as the trades we had open, the IWM gained 3.67%. So we're almost quadrupling the performance of the IWM over that period. And based on our previous trades, we would expect that our next trade is a win of a little over $500. Down below, you'll notice we have the open trades list. Here we have pertinent information about all of our open trades. All of these columns are sortable, which is a very handy feature for quickly getting a handle on which trades we need to focus on first on a particular market day. For example, let's say that we just sort by ascending open profit and loss. We can see that the FLXN trade is way underwater, and we need to probably get a handle on what's going on here. By contrast, if we were looking to take profits, the FIZZ trade looks like a great opportunity there. If we were to sell the position at this point, we'd be taking almost a 30% gain and put $1,364 in the bank. Another way we can look at these open trades, let's just spread this out a bit. Another way that we can manage our trades is to look at the risk to the current stop. So if we sort by that, we can see that we have not moved the stop up on Fizz, And so even though we're up 30%, having not moved that stop, if price were to fall down to our stop, we would lose almost $1,900. That tells us right away we need to either move that stop or take our profits. Conversely, if we look at the FLXN trade, we can see a negative $867 to the stop. That means our stop has already been blown through almost $900 ago. This is a trade that we should have closed a long time ago, and that would be apparent by the fact that it is almost 51% to the downside. Any trade that we wanted to open, we can either double click or we can select the open button having highlighted that trade. This takes us directly to TradeView and opens that particular trade up. We can then enter our adjustments, move our stops, enter orders that have taken place, or whatever is needed to be done. The last feature of the dashboard that I'd like to cover is the Charts button. If we click it, it opens up the comparison symbol for the currently selected trade. In this case, the IWM is the comparison symbol, the Russell 2000 or small cap index ETF. You can select any ticker for which we have a planned open or closed trade, as well as those that are reference symbols for those trades. And of course, we can select different accounts. If we want to see a specific period on the chart, we can then select that date range. This is intended to give us a rudimentary idea of what the chart looks like for planning purposes, and was a feature added at user request so that people did not have to go back and forth between their charting package and TraderVision. This is a fully movable and independent window, so you can move this to a different screen, go on and continue work with TraderVision and continue your work. You'll see here that we have some statistical summaries that give us our total open profit and loss in both dollars and percentage terms. And that's really it for the dashboard. It's intended to be a spot to give a quick summary of what's going on, allow for quick sorting of current positions, which will allow you to determine where to focus first in a situation where perhaps the market is moving fast and you need to make adjustments. Okay, so let's do a quick summary of what we've covered today. We did an overview of the sections of the dashboard, including the account summary area, the recent performance snapshot, open trades list, and the charts window. We also talked a little bit about working with open trades, including sorting the columns to get a quick idea of which trades we should focus on, and then opening trades either by double-clicking or by using the selection and open button. In our next video, we'll be talking about the trade log and some of the features that are available there. I want to thank you very much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.